How to use Lime app. This is going to be for the Lime bike and the Lime scooters, so the e-bikes and the e-scooters, all the same thing. It's going to be the same process for all of them. So first of all, whether you're on iOS devices with iPhone or iPad or an Android, download Lime on the Google Play Store or the App Store. Once you've done that, then you can open up the app like this, and then within there I recommend signing in with Apple. It makes it a little bit quicker if you're on an iOS device. If not, you can sign up regularly, but if you want the quickest process, you can just sign in with the Apple ID or click other options depending on what works best for you. Then you can allow or not allow onto there. Before, it's going to ask you for the next section with the payment methods. So if you have a debit card, credit card, or anything like that, get the details for that ready. Or you can use Apple Pay or PayPal. I recommend clicking Apple Pay if you're on the iOS devices, because yet again it is quicker and it's easier to do. So for me personally, I picked Apple Pay, but it's going to be the same process whichever one you do. Then once you've added in the payment method, you want to click on scan at the bottom of the screen there. Then you want to enable camera access. So then it's going to be looking for the QR code. So as you can see here, I am outside in London with this. All you have to do is go over to the Lime bike or the Lime scooter. Go ahead, look for the QR code, go ahead and scan it just like I've done here. It may take one or two goes if there's an error, etc. Make sure you get it right within that little square there. Then once it's eventually gone ahead and scan the QR code, then essentially you'll be done. But it's going to ask you one or two more other things there. It's going to go through load for a few seconds, so make sure you do have internet access for this if you can. Try and download to Wi-Fi even if you're outside or something like that. But go ahead and scroll down. Once you've read all this how to ride an e-bike, etc., click on done. Then it's going to go ahead and start the ride. Around about now, it's going to start charging you, so do keep that in mind. You will need to turn it off. So click pay with passcode. Once you've done that, then you typed in your passcode there, just like I've done. You might need to put in your card details, etc., if you didn't before. But once you click process payment there, then you wait for a few seconds, and then right from here you will start paying. So do keep that in mind. You will need to turn it off at the end. You can't just leave it there. Once it stops moving, it doesn't stop you from being charged. So make sure at the end of your ride you do click like end ride. Make sure that's fully done, otherwise it will keep charging you, so just keep that in mind. But once you've done that, you can go ahead and start riding your bike. It should be like unlocked. You can go forward, and that's how it's done. So leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.